Hello students, today we are studying isomerism in coordination compounds. All of you know what is isomerism. In 11th standard, all of you study isomerism in hydrocarbons. All of you remember it? So first of all, we see what is meant by isomerism. The compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula, that is called as the isomers of each other. Now in this chapter we study isomerism in coordination compounds. One of the interesting aspects of coordination chemistry is existence of isomers. Isomers are different compounds that have the same molecular formula. Their chemical reactivities and physical properties such as color, solubility and melting point are different. First of all, I say that the compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula and their chemical properties, reactivities, their color, solubility, their stability and melting point are the properties are different, but only the molecular formula is same. Such a compounds are called as the isomers of each other. So in coordination compounds are classified as two types. First is the stereoisomers and second one is the constitutional isomers or structural isomers. So how many types of coordination compounds isomers? Isomers of coordination compounds are formed or classified in two types. First is the stereoisomers and second one is the structural isomers. So first we see what is stereoisomers. Stereoisomers have the same link among constituent atoms, however the arrangement of atoms in space are different. There are two kinds of stereoisomers in coordination compounds, that are first is the geometric isomers or distereoisomers and second one is the enantiomers or optical isomers. स्टिरिओआयसोमर्स हे दोन प्रकारे क्लासिफाय केलेले आहे. पहिला आहे जॉमेट्रिक आयसोमर्स आणि दुसरा आहे एनॅन्शिओमर्स. आपण पहिल्यांदा बघूया व्हॉट इज मीन बाय जॉमेट्रिक आयसोमर्स और डायस्टेरिओआयसोमर्स. Geometric isomers are also called as the distereoisomers. These are non-superimposable mirror image isomers. These are possible in heteroleptic complexes. In these isomers there are cis and trans types of arrangements of ligand. मग जिओमेट्रिक आयसोमर्स काय असतात तर या जॉमेट्रिक आयसोमर्सचे अजून दोन टाईप्सचे आयसोमर्स तयार होतात, त्याला म्हणतात सिस अँड ट्रान्स आयसोमर्स. जॉमेट्रिक आयसोमर्स हे जनरली हेट्रोलिप्टिक कॉम्प्लेक्सेसमध्ये फॉर्म दिसून येतात. आपण बघितलं की कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाऊंड्स हे दोन प्रकारे असतात, मोनोलिप्टिक आणि हेट्रोलिप्टिक. हेट्रोलिप्टिक म्हणजे ज्यामध्ये काय असतात दोनपेक्षा किंवा एकापेक्षा अनेक जास्तीचे दोनपेक्षा जास्ती लिगँड्स असतात, त्याला म्हणतात हेट्रोलिप्टिक कॉम्प्लेक्सेस. मग जॉमेट्रिक आयसोमर्स हे सिस आणि ट्रान्स टाईपचे असतात. मग सिस आयसोमर्स म्हणजे काय? आयडेंटिकल लिगँड्स ऑक्युपाय ॲडजसंट पोझिशन. कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाऊंडमध्ये सेंट्रल मेटल ॲटमच्या आयडेंटिकल पोझिशन किंवा ॲडजसंट पोझिशनमध्ये काय असतात लिगँड्स असतात, त्याला म्हणतात सिस आयसोमर्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बघा, हे कॉम्प्लेक्स कोणतं आहे? PTNH3 ट्वाईस आणि Cl2 ट्वाईस. हे बघा हे कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे हे. याचं सिस आयसोमर्स कसं असणार? ॲडजसंट पोझिशन म्हणजे सेम पोझिशनला. लक्षात आलं? सेंट्रल मेटल ॲटम आणि त्याच्या सेम पोझिशनला सेम लिगँड्स. इकडे NH3 आणि इथे पण Cl आणि Cl. अशा पोझिशनला काय म्हणतात? सिस आयसोमर्स म्हणतात. मग ट्रान्स आयसोमर्स कोणते? तर अपोजिट पोझिशन ऑक्युपाय केलेली असते लिगँडनी सेंट्रल मेटल ॲटमच्या सराउंडिंगमध्ये, त्याला म्हणतात ट्रान्स आयसोमर. सी दिस एक्झाम्पल, दिस इज द ट्रान्स आयसोमर. Molecular formula is same, but structural arrangement is different. See, platinum is the central metal atom. Here NH3 groups are opposite to each other, and here chlorine atom are also opposite to each other. These are the ligands and this is the central metal atom. Such a position of ligands around the central metal atom, such isomer is called as the trans isomer. All of you understand? See, trans isomers, identical ligands occupy the opposite positions. Cis and trans isomer have different properties. Cis trans isomers is observed in superplanar and octahedral complexes. Okay. Cis and trans isomer is a square planar complex. Cis आणि trans isomers हे कसे राहणार? Square planar राहणार. The square planar complexes of Ma2B2 and Ma2BC type exist as a cis and trans isomer where A, B, C are the moderate ligands and M is the central metal atom. We already studied these examples. Okay. See one again example here. Here the cis isomer is more soluble in water than the trans isomer. Cis isomers and trans isomers यांच्या प्रॉपर्टी सुद्धा कशा राहतील? डिफरंट राहतील. Because the arrangement of atoms is different or arrangement of ligand molecule is different, therefore they possess the different properties. So cis isomer is easily soluble in water than the trans isomer. The cis isomer named cisplatin is an anti-cancer drug while the trans isomer is physiologically inactive. See, because of the arrangement of the ligand molecule, the properties is also changes. This cis isomer is known as the cisplatin. What is known as this cis isomer arrangement is the cisplatin. This is the one of the most important drug or medicine for the cancer. But if the molecular arrangement is changes, the properties also changes and trans isomer is physically inactive. The cis isomer is polar with non-zero dipole moment. The trans isomer has zero dipole moment as a result of two opposite platinum and chlorine and two platinum and ammonium bond moments which cancel each other. Okay. Due to structural arrangement, the cis isomer is non-polar while the trans isomer possesses polarity. 4 coordination tetrahedral complexes do not show cis and trans isomer. 4 coordinate tetrahedral complex also do not show the cis and trans isomers. See this another example. Here platinum is the central metal atom. Water molecule is one of the ligand, ammonia is one of the ligand and chlorine is the two ligands again. Here chlorine is in the adjacent position, that's why this is the here chlorine is in adjacent position, that's why this is a cis isomer, and in this chlorine is at the opposite position to each other, that's why this is the trans isomer. All of you understand what is cis and trans isomers? Now cis and trans isomer in octahedral complexes. Octahedral complexes means when coordination compounds show octahedral structure. When coordination compound possesses 6 ligands, then that compound shows octahedral structure. In last lectures we see what is a square planar and tetrahedral structure. मागच्या काही व्हिडिओजमध्ये अभ्यासात आपण अभ्यासलं की ज्या कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाऊंड्सला 6 लिगँड्स असतात किंवा 6 लिगँड जॉईन असतात ते कंपाऊंड कोणत्या स्ट्रक्चर शो करतात? ऑक्टाहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर. मग आता ऑक्टाहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये सिस अँड ट्रान्स अरेंजमेंट कशी आहे ते आपण अभ्यासू. ओके. द ऑक्टाहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस ऑफ द टाईप Ma4b2 and then Ma4bc and MAA twice and B2 exist as a cis and trans isomer. Here this AA is a bidentate. This AA means is the bidentate ligand. Okay. Here M is the central metal atom and this A, B and C are the ligands. Now we see this example. The example is CONH3 4Cl2. This is one of the coordination complex ion of which type? Ma4 and B2. Okay, so how many ligands are there? NH3 4 and Cl2. How many ligands? 6 ligands. So see the structural arrangement of this ligand around the or surrounding the central metal atom. Here cobalt is the central metal atom and chlorine is on the same position. See, NH3 is at the same position and chlorine is at the adjacent position. Such a arrangement is called as the cis isomer. All of you understand? In such a type of octahedral complexes, when some ligands are adjacent to each other, some ligands means which ligands? Same type of ligands are adjacent to each other, they are called as the cis isomer. And see, in this position or in this example, the chlorine ligands are at the opposite to each other. Such a arrangement, when some of the ligands are opposite to each other, that is called as the trans isomer. Okay. See, in this second example, platinum NH3 4 Cl Br, then this type of complex is such type Ma2 and Ma4 and Bc type. So see this cis isomer. See, in this, platinum is the central metal atom. All the ammonia ligand are at the same position or adjacent position, and two halogen ligand, that chlorine and bromine molecule, lies at the adjacent to each other. So such a position of ligands around the central metal atom is called as the cis isomers. And see, what is the trans isomer here? Here see, two halogen atoms, that is possess as a ligand, behaves as a ligand here, lies opposite to each other and central metal atom is in the center. Such a type of arrangement is called as the trans isomer. All of you understand what is the cis and trans isomer is octahedral complexes. All of you remember that the octahedral complexes means the complex or having how many ligands? 6 ligands. Okay. See, in this complex, this is ethylene diamine. Here it is a AA2 type of ligand. En means ethylene diamine. Here how many electron donor is the 2. In one ethylene diamine there is how many electron donor, lone pair donor molecules, atom? There are 2 donor. In this ligand also there are 2 donors. Okay. All of you understand? Here how many ligands? इथे किती लिगँड दिसत आहे आपल्याला? 2 टाईपचे लिगँड दिसत आहे. इथिलीन डायमाइन 1 आणि क्लोरीन 1. पण इथिलीन डायमाइनमध्ये किती ॲटम्स आहेत जे काय करतील? इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करतील. कारण हा इथिलीन डायमाइन लिगँड हा काय आहे? बायडेंटेट लिगँड आहे. म्हणजे एका इथिलीन डायमाइनमध्ये किती डोनर आहेत? 2. म्हणून मग इथे हे कॉम्प्लेक्स सुद्धा काय होणार? ऑक्टाहेड्रल होणार. लक्षात आलं? इथले 4 ॲटम्स आणि इथले 2 ॲटम्स म्हणजे किती झाली इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर? 6. म्हणून ही पोझिशन सुद्धा कोणती राहणार? ऑक्टाहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर राहणार. लक्षात आलं? जरी आपल्याला इथे फक्त 4च आकडे दिसत असेल तरी याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर हे किती आहे? 6 आहेत. म्हणून याचंही स्ट्रक्चर कसं राहणार? या कॉम्प्लेक्सचं ऑक्टाहेड्रल राहणार. लक्षात येतं? मग सिस आयसोमर्समध्ये बघा 2 इथिलीन डायमाइन ॲडजसंट पोझिशनला आहे, क्लोरीनसुद्धा काय आहे ॲडजसंट पोझिशनला आहे. अशी जेव्हा स्ट्रक्चर राहणार तेव्हा ते काय राहणार सिस आयसोमर राहणार. कोबाल्ट ॲज अ सेंट्रल मेटल ॲटम, 2 chlorine atom and 2 ethylene diamine molecule are at the adjacent position of the central metal atom. Such a position or such a isomer are called as the cis isomer. Then what is trans isomer? See in this structure, chlorine is opposite to each other. In center there is a cobalt as a central metal atom. Chlorine is opposite position and ethylene diamine molecule also at the opposite position. So such a arrangement is called as the trans isomers. So all of you understand what is cis and trans isomer in such a bidentate ligand. Okay. See this example also. Here platinum is the central metal atom and chlorine and ethylene diamine are the ligands. So in cis position, see there are two types of cis position. Ethylene diamine and chlorine are the adjacent to each other like here also, or they will accept the this position also. And in trans position there is the chlorine and are opposite to each other, and ethylene diamine also opposite to each other, or opposite ends of the central metal atom. All of you understand what is the cis isomers and trans isomers in octahedral complexes. Square planar complexes do not show enantiomers since they have mirror plane and axis of symmetry. Now in next video we study the structural isomers. All of you understand what is the stereoisomers. Thank you.